Alright, this is going to be a video of the Holmes Blizzard Jr. I got last year. It's a small desk fan that I got for like $5 I think at a thrift store. And I haven't really used it actually at all since the day I videotaped it last time, which was like a year ago, since it was around the time that right before I moved out of the old place. And this was actually the last fan I did a video of at the old place as well. Since I videoed this after I floor tested the Carriage House 2 for the last floor tested fan at the old place. So yeah, I'm doing another video of it because I did say at the end of the video, or in that video last year, that I would do a video of it once I have it cleaned up, like another video of it. And I cleaned it up finally, so I got it all cleaned up. And it runs a lot. It actually moves a lot more air than it did before, and it really wasn't that dirty at all. It's just a tiny bit of dust on it. But it moves a lot more air than it did before, and I'm actually very surprised at how much air it moves just by being cleaned up a tiny bit. But yeah. Now the other reason why the main reason why I actually ended up cleaning it today is because I'm probably gonna be bringing either this one or the Honeywell HT900 to my work tomorrow. So basically, I'm gonna be using one of those two as a fan that's registered, because it is pretty hot there, even with the AC, and there's no fans that circulate the air. So and then the store guy they made it even bigger. So yeah, I did talk to one of the managers. They told me that it would be a good idea to put some fans on it. Said it could happen. So like he even agreed that it would be better if they had fans so they can move the air around, because yeah, it's a pretty big space. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna bring in one of the fans to use it and register, and I could borrow one of the fans from the other workers there. Like sometimes they're not using them, but I'd rather use my own one because this fan's actually a lot more powerful than the ones they have. There's just those little Alaska clip fans, which isn't bad, but if it's like a really hot day like it was today, definitely won't be enough. Like it was better than nothing, but I prefer to have something that's a little bit more powerful. That's just my personal taste, but yeah. This fan works pretty well. It's a 2-speed tiny pedestal fan, tiny table fan basically. The reason why I'm probably gonna be bringing this one is because I can adjust it. So if I need it, if I want it hitting, or I can like adjust it so it actually hits my face. And it can oscillate, so that's also a nice feature as well. But yeah, it's a pretty neat little fan. The main reason why I got this honestly is because it basically looks like a table fan, but it's really a desk fan. But I like that it's like basically a miniature table fan. So yeah, I might be bringing this one in, or the Honeywell. Depends on which one I feel like will be a better one. Space wise, I feel like this one would be a better one, but yeah, who knows. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show the logo up close. And then there's a logo down here. And then there's the information on the bottom. So yeah. Now just start off, show the back part of it before I start it off. Start off with speed 1. And I do apologize for the lack of ceiling fan videos. I will be getting some from a good old friend of mine this weekend probably, so stay tuned for that. Just been busy, also been adjusting to the work schedule, so that's kind of the other reason why I've been doing videos of fans that are at the work. Also just so you guys have something to see, but also just so I can have content. I just don't have the time to film anything else. So I don't have anything else to film. So yeah, it moves good air on speed 1. A lot better air, a lot more air than I did before. Well, it feels good when this help cool down the others around me, and not be selfish and just have it pointing at me. So yeah. Alright. definitely be a good fan to help me cool me down at work. I'm probably gonna pull out the Honeywell after this, probably just to see what, to get like an idea which one would be a better one. This one probably moves good air, but the one thing I think will be better about this one is it can adjust it better. It's not like the Honeywell can only adjust it to certain spots. Also, this one takes up less space than the Honeywell, so yeah. Oh, that's another thing that would be better about this one. But I've seen them use black Honeywells there in the past when I used to go there before I was, like, years ago, like, or like a year or two ago, or something like that, so yeah. Put it to oscillate. And at the end of the day, I'll probably either just bring it back home with me. I'll probably just put it in the locker. I really do not want to carry the fan back and forth with me. Yeah. But one of them will be tomorrow. So I'll shut it off and do a spin down. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come.